Hey everyone, welcome to Tech with Joe. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 great tips for macOS. Tip 1 is how to clean up that desktop the easy way. First of all, just so that you know, I don't usually have this stuff cluttering up my desktop. I've been very excited about getting these files cleaned up during the making of this video, so I might just have a problem. How are we going to accomplish cleaning up these files? I'll tell you what we aren't going to do. We won't be clicking on similar items and dragging them into folders. We're going to use stacks. To utilize stacks, just double finger click on your desktop. This will open up a menu, and the option we're looking for on this tip is Use Stacks. Once we click on that option, our Macs will make automatic folders like this. We can expand a stack by clicking on it, but maybe you're not happy with the way your Mac organized the files for you. In this case, once again, do a 2-finger tap on your desktop, hover over Group Stacks by, and it'll tell us what our options are for changing the stack groups. Are you running out of iCloud storage and have to buy more soon? This next tip, it's for you. There are a few ways to combat running out of storage. I'll go over 3. Option 1 is to add external storage. It can be a hard drive or an SSD. Either option would be a great way to back up files locally, and with the physical sizes of the external hard drives nowadays, they're quite easy to carry with you. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description of a few of the ones I recommend. Option 2 is to add internal storage. This can be accomplished on many Apple machines, and I'll let you know what I did to my MacBook a little later on. Option 3 is choosing what you'd like to back up to iCloud. Let's click on the Apple icon, System Preferences, Apple ID, iCloud Drive. Here we can check things you deem important and reject the others by unchecking them. Desktop and document folders have the potential to be a huge storage hog. I recommend unchecking this category and saving your documents to another location, like the aforementioned internal or external SSD or hard drive. This brings me to my next tip, which is changing the location of where things are downloaded while using Safari. For now, I have a smaller SSD for my operating system and don't have loads of storage for saving files. I highly suggest following this tip. I installed a second hard drive in the optical drive space of my MacBook Pro since I don't need to use CDs or DVDs. Once again, check the links in the description for everything you'll need to add storage to your MacBook. If you have a MacBook Air or you don't want to open up your MacBook, then I still highly suggest an external SSD or a hard drive. Let's go over how to change where Safari saves those downloaded files. First open Safari, then go to Preferences, General, and look towards the bottom at File Download Location. When we click on this menu, there are 2 options, Ask for each download and Other. Let's choose Other. Now you see a Finder window open. Here we can select any location on our hard drive for any downloads through Safari. Tip number next is how to speed up the trackpad. While I personally like things to move a tad bit faster than it's set up to be by default, you can decide how fast or slow you'd like your mouse icon to move across the screen. Let's go to the Apple, System Preferences, Trackpad, and under Point and Click, adjust the speed of the slider to your liking. Thanks for watching this far. Before our last tip, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Tip 5, the 3-finger drag. This feature allows us to tap, not click down, on our trackpad with 3 fingers and then drag a window or icon wherever we'd like. I'll show you where this feature is hidden. Let's go to the Apple icon, System Preferences, Accessibility, Pointer Control, Trackpad Options, and then make sure 3-finger drag is checked in the menu. Well, that wraps up my video for today. Tune in tomorrow for more tips and tricks with me, Joe.